guys how to make a very simple broccoli, beef, and rice. Very simple recipe. You cannot mess this up. Hello, my shopping besties. It's your shopping bestie. I need to cook dinner. First step, of course, is to cook your rice because that takes the longest. I've always had a rice cooker because I am Asian. If you don't have a rice cooker, I don't know how to help you. You're gonna have to Google that one. I've never cooked rice in a pot before. Wash your rice. That's a non-negotiable. I personally think jasmine rice is the best, cow homily, but white rice is okay too. Now let's get started on prepping. I have my defrosted beef. This is what, 1 pound? This is completely optional. I'm going to add it because I love the flavor. Add some onion and garlic. This onion looks kind of sad. We're gonna go ahead and use her first. Don't come at me about how I cut my onion, okay? I like to peel the outer layer off like that. Into the trash. I'm not gonna dice it today. I actually want them to be like little strings or little rainbows, so I'm just gonna cut them this way. There. I think I'm gonna do a full onion. That's done. Of course, we have to use a Bratz plate. And I love garlic. I know some people hate garlic, some people hate onions, but I love them both. So I'm gonna go ahead and add them, and that's how much I'm going to add. And I'm just gonna chop them. I'm very rustic with my garlic, so it's not gonna be perfect. And I keep those together. Now we need to cut our broccoli. The easiest way is to just get a steamable bag of broccoli, but I have fresh broccoli today. Broccoli from Aldi. Could save the stems if you want to make like a broccoli cheddar soup. I've done that once, but you know, that's up to you. I'm just gonna cut all of the heads off, even if I might not use all of them. That way it's just prepped and ready to go in the fridge if I want to make a different meal some other day. To cook my broccoli, I'm just gonna put a cup of water in a pot. I probably should have done that before it got so hot. Just dump your broccoli in it. Close the lid on medium to high heat, maybe like medium, a little bit more than medium heat, and then just leave it alone. It's not that serious. Maybe in like 5 to 10 minutes, I'll check it again and see if it's gotten soft yet. Now you're gonna get your pan, turn on your heat, and pour some vegetable oil into it, whatever oil that you use. Let's say that's about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Once your pan is hot, you're gonna toss in your onions and your garlic. Once you've sauteed your onions and your garlic till they're like kind of translucent and brown, you're gonna add in your beef. I like to cut my beef in half just like that and then squeeze it in there. And you're just gonna poke at it to break it up. Once your beef is kind of done, you should be able to add your broccoli. Even if your broccoli isn't 100% soft, it should be good enough because it's gonna cook in here too. It looks pretty good to me. Once it's really bright green, that's when you know that it's cooked. Okay, this is how you're gonna season it. Don't mind my jar. You're just gonna do bouillon. It could be vegetable bouillon, chicken bouillon, pork bouillon, whatever it is. I'm going to do 1 tablespoon. And then 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. If you want, you can start with 3 and taste it first. And then last, you're gonna wanna add 1/2 tablespoon of sugar, and that is it. That's all you need. Let it cook for maybe 3 to 5 more minutes, and then you're good to go. It's not that serious. Then you're gonna make yourself a bed of rice in a bowl or a plate and pour some of the broccoli beef on top, and that's your easy broccoli beef and rice dinner.